You're watching KPBP, your streaming video channel in the Midwest.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We haven't forgotten those wonderful places and times sharing great stuff with great friends. We've got some of those old neighborhood recipes, and we're here to share them with you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Recipes Show.
Okay.
I identify the voice just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I super minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, I adore you. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, I live for you. Set my heart on fire.
KPBP TV is owned and operated by the DLC Media Group in association with KP Productions. KPBP TV is available streaming on YouTube at channel KPBP TV. Subscription to the channel assures you access to the latest productions. Please direct questions and comments to kpbptv at gmail.com. KPBP TV is an equal opportunity employer. Music. Music for you. Music for your friends. Music for people you don't even know. We have all kinds of music for parties, weddings, concerts, bar mitzvahs, and shotgun weddings, personal performances, street fairs, anything.